Located in the central part of Thailand on the north of the Gulf of Siam, Bangkok is Thailand's largest urban city. The Chao Phraya River divides Bangkok city into two areas, Bangkok and Thon Buri. Since then, Bangkok has developed into a huge metropolis that is packed with skyscrapers, luxurious hotels, high-tech shopping malls and a modern international airport, as well as an endless variety of good restaurants. It is a mixture of the old and the new, of East and West, and this is apparent wherever you go. Bangkok offers a wealth of great temples, museums, and other historic sites to enjoy. Bangkok, Thai Krung Thep, city, capital, and chief port of Thailand. It is the only cosmopolitan city in a country of small towns and villages and is Thailand's cultural and commercial center. The name Bangkok, used commonly by foreigners, is, according to one interpretation, derived from a name that dates to the time before the city was built, the village or district, Bang, of wild plums, makok. The Thai call their capital Krung Thep, which is the first part of its mellifluous and lengthy official name meaning City of Angels. Throughout the city, walled Buddhist temples and monasteries called wats, often sumptuously ornamented, serve as focal points for religious, cultural, and even commercial life.